Well, next week during South by Southwest, you can check out the latest 3D printed home by Icon. The company used the newest technology to design House Zero. There's nothing like it, y'all, in the world. And Tierra Neubaum is live in East Austin with the details. Tierra, how cool is this?
Isn't that incredible, Leslie? Nothing like it in the world, Melody, and we're getting a first-hand look at it this morning on Good Day Austin, and it's kind of come full circle for Icon. You guys launched the first 3D house at South by Southwest in 2018. Here we are with House Zero. How exactly was this built and brought right here to East Austin?
Yes, so for all of our houses, we use our Vulcan construction system, which is a 9,500-pound robot that we deploy on site here and use our proprietary material to 3D print all of our structures.
Amazing. And what are we seeing here? What makes this so unique? You wouldn't be able to build something like this with traditional building materials.
No, House Zero is unique because it was specifically designed to be 3D printed. This house could not have been built any other way. The undulating forms of the walls and the unique geometry that you see can only be done by creating these through a layer-based system that we designed for 3D printing specifically.
What kind of material is this curvy structure that we're seeing here?
So we have a proprietary material called lavacrete, which is a mortar-based concrete material that has key advantages over traditional construction materials like stick frame or wood and steel. We have a highly energy efficient wall system because of it, and it introduces a whole bunch of benefits that you don't get in traditional construction.
What are some of those?
So we have high thermal mass within the wall, which means that we can we have lower energy costs than traditional means and methods, and because it's a single material that gets printed all at once, we can eliminate over 5 other materials and trades that you normally would have to bring in for construction.
Really impressive, and South by Southwest goers, badge holders or not, are able to potentially come in and get a tour. How can they do that?
Yes, we're so excited to invite folks to come and tour House Zero. You can check out more information on our website, iconbuild.com, and we're going to be hosting tours on the 13th and 14th to walk through the house and check out this new technology.
Really unique. And then when we're getting kind of the tour here, we spoke with Lake Flato Architects earlier. They worked with you guys to design this, bring it to life. What makes this house so special, and what else is Icon up to?
Yeah, Icon is always working towards creating accessible, dignified, and resilient housing solutions. So we have a new project to create a 100-home development that is kicking off soon, and we're also creating solutions for the homeless communities to help those who are more impoverished and really leverage the advantages of 3D printing to create a scalable building solution for the housing crisis.
Absolutely, really amazing. And how did you guys work with Lake Flato to bring all of this to East Austin?
Yeah, we were collaborating with Lake Flato from the start. They're a fantastic architect. They brought in a really unique vision to create a beautiful home, and we were able to leverage the advantages of 3D printing to create undulating walls, curved forms that couldn't have been constructed in any other way.
Where can people get more information if they aren't able to come see this in person next week?
Yes, so our CEO, Jason Ballard, is actually giving a featured talk at South by Southwest on March 15th at 2:30, and he's going to be highlighting how we 3D print and what the future of construction is going to look like.
That will be a lot of fun. And then the website again for people to sign up?
Our website is iconbuild.com.
Okay, Melody, well, thanks for joining us this morning on Good Day Austin. Leslie, so beautiful, so impressive, and just fascinating to see all of this. It's really incredible, something to see.
Yeah, absolutely, Tierra. Definitely the future. You know, I do have a question, though. It is Texas. How's the AC? What does it feel like in the house?
It's very brisk in here right now, but I did ask the same question about heating and air earlier this morning off camera, and they said that by the way that this was designed, it's able to hold in heat and air very sufficiently.
Wow, it's the future, and you're there for us. Thanks, Tierra. We'll be right back on Good Day.